Player select is set up, so now we can actually add our game manager component to our game manager. So let's select the game manager game object. We can click the little arrow next to our tile spawner component to collapse that. We're going to type game manager into our search bar and then select the game manager object there. That's going to attach our game manager, and those three variables you see here, we're not going to mess with these at all. These are just going to show us in the inspector some information while we're playing. This current players variable is going to show us the players active in our game. The active player is going to show us whose turn it is, and then the player iterator is going to control whose turn it will be next. Let's actually go now to our roll dice and holding control our end turn game objects, so we're going to select them both. And then just like we did for player select, we want to drag something into this on-click event down here. We're going to drag our game manager here now, but now once we've got it in there, we're going to select just one. We're going to select roll dice. We're going to hit no function, go to game manager, and then click the roll dice method. And then we're going to select end turn, go to game manager, no function, game manager, and then select end turn. So now our game manager is set up, our buttons are set up, and if we hit play and we select 3 players, now we'll see our 3 players appear and our roll dice and end turn buttons do as well. Now if we click roll dice, nothing's going to happen, although it will debug in the bottom left corner. We'll be able to see what number we've rolled, but it won't actually do anything and we won't be able to end our turn just yet. So we've started to get our game ready to go, but we've still got some work to do before our game is going to be working the way we need. Once all this stuff is set up, go ahead and save your scene with Controller Command S, and we will move on to week 3.